The day begins slow and golden on Hastings seafront. Before anything else, we're hungry. Inside eat at the Stade, it's all clatter and coffee steam.
It's just there on this paper that.
This cafe keeps things informal and family friendly.
Fashion show.
The food delivered just the right start, fuel for exploring Hastings Old Town. First, we rise with the East Hillcliffe Railway to explore a little more of the sea, the sky, and the soul of this old coastal town. The East Hillcliffe Railway is more than just a way up, it's a ride through time. Built in 1902 and now fully electrified, this funicular remains the steepest in the UK.
You're a student? Fantastic. So
As you rise, Hastings unfolds beneath you, the Stade, the boats, the rooftops of Old Town, and that endless sea horizon.
Thank you.
Whether you're a local or a day tripper, it's a 2-minute journey that leaves a lasting memory. Step off and you're right at the entrance to Hastings Country Park. Over 600 acres of wildflowers, clifftop paths, and sea breeze await. With picnic spots, accessible trails, well-marked paths, and dogs welcome on leads, the grassland invites everyone. For fresh air, wide horizons, and simple moments outdoors, walkers will enjoy on the sweeping sea views and easy terrain. The Hastings Miniature Railway is a charming, small line running along the seafront of Hastings Old Town. Just 600 yards along the old fishing beach and boardwalk. Return tickets cost about £5, with a quick round trip taking only 4 to 5 minutes. It opened in June 1948 and is one of Britain's oldest miniature railways, built by Captain Jack Howie. The railway features both steam and diesel miniature engines in open and covered carriages and is mostly volunteer run. It may be small in length, but for many it packs big smiles, especially for toddlers, children, and train lovers alike. Welcome to Hastings Seafront, stretching 3.2 miles of classic English coastal charm where Pebble meets Promenade, past the Old Town to St. Leonard's and beyond. In summer evenings, the sea turns turquoise and sunlit, making Hastings feel like a seaside gem rediscovered. Here along Hastings shoreline, the sea greets you with a steady rhythm of gentle waves, just enough movement to draw you in without overpowering the senses. For families, the small waves are inviting, not too big, but enough to delight the little ones. As dawn breaks or sun dips low, the sea takes on a shimmering glow. Waves turn gently turquoise silver, inviting quiet reflection. Evening brings a soft hush. Waves arrive in soft whispers, ideal for those twilight moments of seaside calm. As the day exhales and the tide slips out, the sand begins to show, glistening in the last light like a secret the sea saved for dusk. And as the tide murmurs behind you, it's time to leave the shoreline, but not the feeling it leaves with you. Sun-kissed and salt-aired, each carrying their own memory of Hastings, stitched with waves, light and laughter. The sea still echoes faintly. It's one of those visits you'll carry long after.